Okay, welcome back everyone. This was the last place we stopped in our last clip. So for now we have done radio and we have done the drop down menu. So we're going to continue with the checkbox. Alright, so before I'm going to add a break so that I believe you know what is a break. Then I will add a comment and I said for checkbox. My menu here was wrong, so I corrected it here. This menu. Alright, so for me to declare checkbox, what I do, first of all, I will declare an input tag. The same thing, just like the radio button. I'll say input in the place of text, just like this. In the place of text in the input, we made use of radio, right? So in this case now, in the place of text, we're going to say checkbox, as the case may be. Checkbox, say ID. Now we want this the checkbox to say, okay, countries visited in Africa. Okay, let me see. The first one is Nigeria, for instance. Nigeria. Then okay, the label for Nigeria, right? Yeah, we have Nigeria in between the labels. I believe the reason why I'm not longer explaining much is because I perceive that by now you should have understood what I'm doing, right? So I save and I refresh. We just have Nigeria here, and if you notice, we need a header like this to to let the user know what to answer. So we are going to say we have H3. We say select other places visited. In Africa. Select other places visited in Africa. I save. Then I refresh. We now have a heading, select other places visited in Africa. Let me put exclamation mark. An exclamation mark, other places visited in Africa. So one, we have Nigeria. I'm going to be explaining the difference between a radio button and a checkbox. A checkbox and a radio button. So now I will just copy these two because I want to just the same way we did it. Then I'll just copy, then I'll paste. I need like 4 more countries. 3. Oops. Now before then I need to add a break so that I don't need to be adding the break to all of them. I just break it. Now this copy, right? Come over so that both the break can be copied as well. No need of me putting break in all of them again after copying. Hope you understand what I'm trying to say. Alright, so I have this. So I will just okay, Nigeria, Ghana. I have Ghana, right? Ghana. Yeah, I'll change it to capital G. Yeah, Kenya. Kenya, which is a capital K. Hope you are getting it right. If you notice, everything is changing, right? So for those of you who use the system, let me tell you the shortcut I'm using, because if you notice now, once I highlight just okay, there is no need for me telling you, so that you will not just edit them manually. So the next one we have let's say Niger Republic. Next one we have, this is South Africa. What is it? South Africa. You see, come over here to refresh. You can see that we have the 5 check boxes. Now the difference between a checkbox and a radio button is this. A radio button acts as a binary, meaning that you can only select one option. It is a true or false value. It is yes or no. Only one option is permitted. While a checkbox, you can select as multiple value as applicable. So in other words now, a checkbox is a binomial. It's just like a binomial distribution in statistics. Hope it's clear. So that's all about radio buttons. Select other places visited in Africa. If you have visited 5 countries, you can select all. So in the next clip, we'll be talking about text areas and the button. Thank you. See you in the next clip.